Hi, I am Denise, your Fitbit guide to yoga and Pilates, here to unbox the Inspire 2. What's in the box? When you open up your box, the first thing you will find is your Fitbit. I love that the small band is attached, and then for your convenience, you also have the large band that's going to be inside the box. Opening up, you will also receive your charger. And those are all the parts you need. Now we're ready to go. Flip your Fitbit over, you'll notice a little pin attached to the band. Give it a little shift downward, pull the band out, and then we're going to attach the new band just how we got in. So you'll find the socket. You give the ball a little slide downward. It's a little tricky. If you slip a couple times, all good. Give it a little tug, make sure it's secure, you're on your way. You'll notice some bright gold dots along the back of the device. They align perfectly with your charger. Just go ahead and give it a little click. Make sure it's attached so you know you're charging. And there we are. Your Inspire 2 will last for up to 10 days depending on how you use your Fitbit. Keep in mind, GPS, call and text notifications might burn through your battery a little faster, so just make sure you're always keeping an eye on your charge percentage. Your Fitbit will automatically let you know when your battery is at 25%. You may also opt for text and or email notifications to let you know when your battery is low. Keep in mind, when you set up your Fitbit, you'll automatically get your email notifications when your battery is at 25%. Open up the Fitbit app on your mobile device. From there, click on your icon on the upper left corner. Set up a device. On the next screen, you'll choose your Fitbit. And today we're setting up the Inspire 2. Ensure your Fitbit is charged and turned on. Your Fitbit needs to be charged at least 50%, though it is best for your device to be plugged in through the entire pairing process. Your phone will start to search for your device, so if you have any other Fitbits, make sure they're not near your phone so that you can sync to the proper Fitbit. Continue setting up your device by following the instructions on the Fitbit app. Open up your Fitbit mobile app. Click on your profile icon in the upper left corner. Tap Inspire 2. Tap Gallery. Tap Clocks. From there, you'll see a number of clock faces to choose from. All you have to do is find the one that you like best and click Install. Check out my new clock face. Open the Fitbit mobile app. Tap on your hourly activity tile. Tap on the gear icon in the upper right corner. Here you can turn on reminders to move and customize the time window and days on which you'll receive notifications. Open the Fitbit mobile app. Click on your profile icon in the upper left corner. Scroll down and click Notifications. Here you can turn on step goal milestones and exercise goal milestones. You can also enable notifications for phone calls, emails, calendar events, and all your favorite apps. Your Fitbit will buzz and alert you when you've entered a new heart rate zone during a workout. There are 3 heart rate zones: fat burn, cardio. Swipe up to view battery life and continue swiping up for health and fitness stats. Pinch the sides to go back to your clock face. Swipe down to access apps including notifications, exercise, and alarms. Simply tap an app to open it. Double pinch the sides to go back to your clock face from anywhere. Pinch and hold the sides to access common tracker settings such as water lock while swimming, brightness, screen wake, and more. Thank you for unboxing your Inspire 2 with me. I hope you learned all the information you need to get your Fitbit ready to go. I'm Denise with Fitbit. Be well.